Hey guys, my name is Dallas and welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Dallas. So you've stumbled across my channel and you're probably wondering to yourself, what is this channel about? Well, I'm here today to tell you. So this channel is all about DIYs and it's about decorating and getting ready for the holidays and organizing and just simple things when it comes to decorating and small design projects, even floor arranging. If that special someone in your life and you're like, I want to do something unique this year. I don't want to just go out and buy flowers. I want to make them myself. Well, I know how. I'm a florist. Guess what? You've come to the right place at the right time because there's going to be hundreds of videos be shared with you guys. I want to create a little community or a big community and just for everybody to be inspired by each other. And, you know, for all of us to come together and learn tips and tricks on how to do this and how to do that and how to make our Christmases, you know. But as previously stated, you know, just a small community or a large community, whichever comes, just for all of us to come together and enjoy life, like I said, and have fun. Please consider subscribing and, you know, feel free to leave a comment below. And give me some ideas. You know, is there a DIY that you've been stumped on or you wanted to try? I'm here to try because I don't think there's a DIY that I haven't tried. I've made picture frames, anything. I've made a lot of stuff, but I'm here to inspire you and to help you make your life more enjoyable. So thank you so much for coming here today and thank you so much for watching. Bye y'all.